Packing list. Install the mortise. Fasten the screws. Cut the extra long bar, if any, and reserve 10 to 15 mm to the door edge. Install the cylinder. Cut the screw according to the door thickness. Fasten the screws. Install the mounting post, mind the triangle gap. Fasten it to the proper position by the plier. Install the front lock. Install the rear gasket. Install the reinforcement plate. Adjust the hole position and fasten them with screws. Cut the spindle according to the door thickness. Install the spindle. Cut the pin according to the door thickness. Install the pin. Connect the power lines of the camera and the lock. Install the spring. Install the rear lock, mind all mounting parts. Fasten the screws. Insert the battery. Close the battery cover. Check the lock operation.